Alright, so check this out. We ran this backtest on TRADERSPIN'S gold strategy, and the results are insane. 5 years straight, 100% win rate every single year. Look at this, 50% annual returns consistently. And get this, 0 losses. Now, I know what you're thinking. This can't be real, but trust me, it is. Let me show you exactly how I achieved these results using TRADERSPIN'S gold strategy and an automated EA. Make sure to watch until the end. Hey everyone, I'm an EA developer, and in this video we're diving deep into TRADERSPIN'S gold strategy. TRADERSPIN claims this strategy has a 99.99% accuracy with 0 losses, and like many of you, I was skeptical. So, I decided to put it to the test. I coded the entire strategy into an automated EA and ran a rigorous backtest. Before we proceed, I highly recommend watching TRADERSPIN'S original video explaining the strategy. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to my experiment. Alright, let's break down TRADERSPIN'S gold strategy. It's a pretty unique approach. First off, we're using a cent account, which gives us a lot of leverage. We start with a small initial deposit, let's say $100, which translates to $10,000 in our cent account. Now, here's the interesting part. We don't overthink it. No fancy indicators, no complicated analysis. We simply place a buy order every single week. For example, every Monday we buy gold. TRADERSPIN believes gold has an inherent upward trend, so we're riding that wave. We set a modest take-profit target, let's say 10 pips, which translates to a decent profit per trade. And here's the key. We don't use a stop-loss order. TRADERSPIN argues that gold will eventually reach our target, even if it takes a while. This might seem risky, but he believes the long-term upward trend of gold will ultimately prevail. Of course, there's always a risk, however small. A significant market crash could theoretically wipe out our account, but that's considered a highly unlikely scenario. This strategy relies on the long-term bullish outlook for gold and a patient approach. This is where the fun begins. Let's get coding and see if we can turn TRADERSPIN'S theory into trading reality. Now let's dive into the code. First, we have the general settings. Here, we define key variables like the lot size and take profit targets. These settings determine how much risk we're taking and the profit we're aiming for on each trade. Next, we move to the heart of the EA, the onTick function. This is where the magic happens. Within this function, we've coded the EA to execute a buy trade every Monday. The code checks the current day of the week, and if it's Monday, it initiates a buy order. We also have a variable called position ticket. This variable stores the unique identifier for each open trade, allowing the EA to track and manage positions effectively. Finally, we have a custom function called position modify. This function is designed to modify existing trades. In this case, we'll use it to set our take profit target for each buy trade without affecting any other trade parameters. Now let's compile the code and make sure everything is working as expected. We want to ensure there are no errors or bugs before we proceed to the backtesting phase. Let's bring this to life. Now remember, TraderSpin recommends funding your trades individually each week. However, for this backtest, we'll simplify things by running a single test with the full $10,000 deposit to get a holistic view of the strategy's performance. As you can see, the EA automatically executed a buy trade since it's Monday. Notice that the EA has set our predefined take profit target. TraderSpin believes that even if gold undergoes a temporary retracement, it will eventually resume its upward trend and hit our target. Let's watch as the EA continues to execute buy trades every Monday. Remember, we're using a small lot size to manage risk and maximize our potential returns. To keep track of everything, I've added some comments to the code to display the overall account equity, the number of open trades, and other key performance indicators. Now, the moment of truth. We're going to run this automated EA for 5 years, from 2019 to 2024. Let's see if this strategy can truly deliver the consistent profits that TraderSpin claims. Alright, let's dive into the backtest results. I ran the strategy from 2019 to 2024, and the results are simply astonishing. The account balance has skyrocketed to over $30,000. Yes, you heard that right, a 100% win rate across the entire backtesting period. Looking at the performance summary, we see consistent profitability year after year, with an average annual return of a staggering 50%. It's almost unbelievable, but the numbers don't lie. Now, let's analyze the trades. As you can see, the EA exclusively executed long orders, sticking to the buy and hold strategy. Remarkably, the EA achieved profitability in every single month since 2019. Each year, it generated over $1,000 in profit with zero losses. The equity curve is a sight to behold. It's a beautiful illustration of consistent growth with zero drawdowns. It's truly remarkable to witness such steady performance over 5 years. Let's take a closer look at individual trades. As expected, each trade generated a $100 profit. However, it's important to note that some trades took longer than others to reach the take profit target. This highlights the importance of patience, as we didn't use a stop-loss order. In some cases, it took over a month for the price to move in our favor, but eventually, it always did. So, there you have it. The backtest results for TraderSpin's gold strategy are undeniably impressive. It's important to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. However, this backtest provides a strong foundation for further exploration and optimization. I encourage you to conduct your own research and due diligence before implementing any trading strategy. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful and informative.